Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Seems Easy and I'm Diane. Today I'm going to show you how to make interlabial pads for you-know-when. I provide a free pattern in the description. It'll give you the 4 sizes. You're going to need to have flannel, pre-washed flannel, and some cotton batting, and you can almost just use scraps for this. I recommend layering it with the right sides out of the flannel on either side of your cotton batting, and this needs to be cotton flannel and cotton batting for the most absorption. You just pin your piece on the layered fabrics and cut them out. And here I've cut out different fabrics for the different sizes so that you can see at a glance which is which. All right, now we're going to sew all the way around the pad using a decorative stitch, and I use either elastic zigzag or what to call an overlock stitch. I do not recommend using a serger for this step for a couple of reasons. First, serger thread is generally polyester. It's not going to be as absorbent, and the stitching is going to be very close together, and it's going to reduce the overall absorbent area of your pad. And two, when you're serging around corners, it's just very, very difficult to get around those tight curves like we have on these pads. So just stitch your overlock stitch or zigzag, loose zigzag stitch around the entire pad. This is going to hold it together, keep it from raveling, and enable it to be absorbent pretty much all the way to the edge. Okay, now we're ready to sew one straight line down the middle of your pad lengthwise. This will help keep the layers together and make it easy to fold.